What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be putting on some new door pulls on my buddy's LJ and as well as my dad's TJ. It's actually a buddy of mine, Mike. He actually owns his own Etsy shop, and he makes these really cool handmade leather door straps or door pulls for the doors in the TJ and the LJs. So he reached out to me, asked if I wanted a couple, so he gave me a set for my buddy's LJ and then my dad's TJ, and we're just going to be installing these today. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty guys, so pretty easy. All you're gonna grab is a T15 Torx, and there's these two screws that we gotta loosen up. Got that. So once the two screws are gone, then we can just slide this out. There's gonna be like almost like a flat piece here, so it helps if you just kind of pull it to one side and then pull the other out that way. And these are really cool. It says 1941. I think you can stamp whatever you want on here. I really like the 1941, kind of a subtle. So we're just gonna bend it just a little bit. Just kind of get it to fit in here. Just like that. That worked great. Sweet. All right, so once we got them in, perfect. Let me do the other side here. Just like that. And we're installed. That looks really nice. Yeah, that looks sick. Very cool. All right, so working on Dad's TJ now, and a big shout out to Mike again from Patriot Made Projects. Super nice of you to send these out, and they're gonna get some good use out of them. This one's already loose. Well, I think I just made a project for myself. Alrighty, so you want to be careful when you're putting this in. If you do knock this clip off, you can pull the screws out of the bottom of the door, pop the door open, that clip will fall down, then you can just reach up and stick it back in. That's what I had to do here, but don't try to force these in, just kind of wiggle it in so that way you don't have to do that. There we go, all set. Man, it looks really nice. I really like this a lot, and I'm not just saying that because I got it for free. These are sick. I actually really like it. And I love the 1941 little Easter egg. I think it looks real classy. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll leave it a link in the description of the video for these if you guys want to pick one of these up. He also sent me a keychain. Sent me a really cool keychain, kind of same leather, stamped or whatever. So that's super cool. So he's got a bunch of stuff on his store, on his Etsy page. So you guys, like I said, I'll leave a link for it, and definitely check him out. And anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.